Okay guys, in today's video I've got a neat little way that you can make $20 over and over again, and another way with the same method to show you how to make some money with it as well. So you're going to want to stick around and see the details on this video, and I'm going to get you started here right now. Okay guys, welcome back to the video. And as I told you before, I've got a pretty cool little way here that I found. Actually, it was referred to me by a friend of mine because I was looking for sort of another way to get a debit card that I could use without having to open up a whole nother bank account. And he sort of referred me to this. And as I was looking at it and taking a closer look, I found actually a couple ways that you can make some money with this particular debit card here. All right, so first of all, my name is Kevin Lehner with kevin-lehner.com website. And if this is your first time here to my videos, or you've been here before and you still haven't subscribed yet, well, I don't know what's keeping you from it. Just reach down there below and hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to click the bell, because I'm always trying to come out with ways for you guys to help bring financial and time freedom into your lives with all kinds of ways to make money online. Okay, all right guys, well, let's go ahead and get jumped right on this. It's not going to be a long video, just kind of go over this and show it to you. And like I said, I had a friend of mine that referred me to this program right here. I don't know if you guys have heard of NetSpend or not. It's a prepaid debit card that acts just like a bank account. It even has a savings account attached to it as well. And as I was looking through NetSpend here, I actually saw a couple of ways that you can make money with this. All right, so what you want to do is come over here to netspend.com. You see it right here in the address bar, and then it'll bring you to this page here, and it says you can manage your money with NetSpend prepaid. Now there's a lot of different prepaid cards that you can get, like when you go to Walmart or something like that. You can see that they've got lots of different prepaid. I don't know that NetSpend is there or not. To be honest with you, I can't remember seeing it or not, but nevertheless, you can get one right off the website here, and it's free. It doesn't cost anything. So there's no credit check, and you can get cash back. Now that's one of the ways right there that you can make money with this, is cash back. Just like when you know, if you have like a Visa credit card or a MasterCard or something like that, you can spend and get cash back. And I think people even get what they call frequent flyer miles or something like that for like airplane tickets and so on and so forth. And so one of the ways is to get cash back here. So what you want to do when you come to this website, you want to just scroll down. You can kind of read a little bit about it here, but what you want to do is you want to scroll all the way to the bottom here, and you want to click on prepaid debit right here. So when we click on that, that brings us over here to this page here, and tells you a little bit more about it and so on and so forth. And there's no credit check, there's no activation fee, and no minimum balance that you can hold on the card. So this card actually acts just like it's a bank account. In fact, it's attached to a bank called MetaBank, and I believe they're out in Nevada in the United States here. Not sure whether this is worldwide or not. It'll be something you just have to check. If you're in another country, they may have NetSpend debit cards, prepaid debit cards over there too. Not sure. You have to check it out. But anyways, it's a reloadable prepaid card, and you can do direct deposit straight from your bank account. In other words, ACH deposit, which is it's a lot faster, they say, than doing it any other way. And then here was one of the ways that you can make money is payback rewards. You can earn cash back every time you use the card and whatever you shop with and whatever you buy, right? And so on and so forth. And know the moment your money arrives at any time alerts, and manage your money anywhere with the mobile app. So you can use this also on your cell phones, whether it's iPhone or Android or whatnot. Even I suppose even your tablet too, or your iPad tablet or whatever. And they have a Premier card that you can upgrade to, and so on and so forth. But what we want to do is come down here to where it says underneath right here where it talks about the earn cash back. You see right here where it says, and we're just getting started, to see all the features right here. So if I click on that, you'll see that it loads up some more of these right here. Now, what we can do is if we scroll down here, you'll notice that right here when you scroll down, you see it says right here, refer a friend. It says tell your friends and get paid. Boost your card balance when your friends get a NetSpend card. So basically they have an affiliate program here with this, and when you click on that, you see you can earn $20 credit by telling your friends, and you get a referral link that you can share with your friends either by email, or you can put your referral link on Facebook or Twitter or Instagram or Pinterest in some of these places and refer people to NetSpend. And when they get a card, and they it says right here, whenever you refer a friend who activates their new NetSpend prepaid card and loads at least $40 on it, you both get $20 credit. So for every friend that you recommend to NetSpend and they get a NetSpend card and activate their account and put $40 on it, you'll get $20, and so will your friend that you referred. They also get 20 as well. And there's no amount that you know, it's unlimited. You can earn however much as you want. There's no limit to the amount that you can earn with the NetSpend affiliate program here, and so on and so forth. So when you tell your friends about it and so on and forth, so they sign up, they'll be able to get $20 as well as you. Now, when you get signed into your account, now I just signed up today here, and it's going to make me, it will time you out, so I'm going to have to sign back in here on my account because I want to show you where this is at here. So when you get signed in, this is sort of like your back office on your account. And if you look over here on the left, we're currently on the history dashboard. Now you see I just signed up for this, and I wanted to share this with you guys because I thought it was pretty cool when I found this out, that there's two ways to make money with this, by cashback and the affiliate program, right? And over here in the column on the left, you can see all kinds of different things. You can move money, pay bills with it even. And here's your payback rewards. In other words, earn cash back rewards, and then manage account, help and support legal, log out. But right here, when you come into your back office, if you click under features right here, and it drops down, and you see right here where it says refer a friend right here. You see that? And you can get anytime alerts and manage your account here. I'm going to click on refer a friend, and it brings you over here, and now you notice it pops up down here that looks like you need to activate your card in order to get. So when you sign up and log into your account, you get to choose the card that you want with the different design on it, and it takes 7 to 10 business days to get your NetSpend card, which they will mail to your house under snail mail for free. Doesn't cost anything. And you can see here you can send emails with it. You can share, like I said, your referral code on Facebook or Twitter or Instagram, Pinterest, LinkedIn, any kind of social network that you want to think of. You could certainly put your code on here and refer people to NetSpend as well, and then you have a link right here, a share link that'll show up, and you can send or share your referral code on all these different places, and so on and so forth. So there you go, guys. That's what I wanted to show you. It's just a quick video today to show you this neat little way that I found where a friend of mine had referred me over here to NetSpend, and I was doing a little looking around and found out about this affiliate program as well as the cashback program that they have too. So I think that's a pretty good deal. So I don't have a referral link down there in my description yet, of course. As you see, I haven't got my account activated yet until I get my card here in a few days, and then I'll possibly put it down there at the top of this video. If you guys wanted to click on that and throw me an extra $20 if you like the NetSpend card, and so on and so forth. So it's just like a bank account. you can have even a savings with it too, and there's and you can have up to like $15,000 stored on that card. Well, guys, that's what I wanted to show you, though. Anyways, if you got some value out of this video, reach down there and give me a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell so you get notified when I upload videos, which I do pretty regularly here on this channel. Okay. Also, want to see my #1 recommended business to get involved in? Click down there below where you see it says mentorwithkev.com, and you see it there at the top of your video there as well too. Alrighty, guys, well, I'm going to let you guys go with that, and I'll see you again here in a couple of days or so on the next exciting video. You guys take care. Have a great night. Bye-bye now.